Today again I will continue with the formation of image in the convex lens. The last one is when the object is placed between optical center and focus. Okay, let's see here. Oh, this is F. This distance should be same. This is center 2, center 1. The object is placed here. Okay, the ray that goes parallel to principal axis converges through focus. Okay, now another ray that goes through the optical center passes without any deviation. So if we extend it, so we will find the image is formed somewhere here. So this is a virtual image because this is the real conversion of rays. If this is your object A, B, this is A dash, B dash. So the nature is virtual, erect, enlarged, behind the object. So now you have to remember convex lens. This is your convex lens. Convex lens gives virtual image when the object is at the focus, which already have discussed. Now the object is between pole and focus. Okay, now we will move to concave lens. So now concave lens is called diverging lens. Concave lens, diverging lens. So this already I have told you the shape of this lens. The middle portion is thinner than the other two portions, end parts. Now look at here, the same concept. Here is focus, again here is a focus here. The ray that goes parallel to principal axis, at least two rays I will consider, diverges in the direction of focus. Diverges in the direction of focus. So this is virtual focus. Okay, now this is your virtual focus. Now let us see the formation of image in the concave lens. Formation of image in the concave lens. Formation of image in the concave lens. Okay, same concept we will be using. is focus. This is center of this distance should be same. Center of curvature 1. This is focus somewhere here. Center of curvature 2. Suppose I have placed an object here. Okay. The object that goes parallel to principal axis diverges in the direction of focus. This is the diversion. So when I extend, it comes to focus. The another ray that goes through the optical center passes out without any deviation. So this is our image. If this is AB, this is your A dash, B dash. Okay, what is the nature you find? So nature is erect, virtual, diminished, and same side of the same side of the object. Okay, now I would like to remind you, object distance is minus u, image distance is minus v, focal distance is also minus f. So what was the mirror formula? Once more, actually Lane's formula. Lane's formula is is 1 by f equals to 1 by v minus 1 by u. That was, mirror was 1 by f equals to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Here it is minus. So let's take few questions based on this. Let's see how it is. Suppose I consider if I consider a 3.0 meter tall object, a 3.0 meter tall object is placed perpendicular to the principal axis perpendicular to the principal axis of a convex lens of focal length is 15 centimeter. Actually this is also centimeter. Okay, then the distance of the object from the lens is 20 centimeter. The distance of the object from the lens is 20 centimeter. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Find the nature, position and size of the image. Okay, I draw it. So only thing you have to notice here, focal length is 15, object distance is 20. These two are main point and object is 3 centimeter. Okay, let's take one. A convex lens if I consider this is O, this is F, then this distance should be same, almost same. C1, this distance should be same. This is F1, F2, and this is your C2. Okay. Now this is 15. That means this total is 30. Object is as 20 means between C and F. So the ray that goes parallel to principal axis converges through focus. Another ray that comes through the optical center passes out without any deviation. Okay, it looks like inverted real image. Okay, now let's calculate what is given to us. Perpendicular to principal axis. This is perpendicular. That means M is positive. And M is given, height of this object equals to 3 centimeter. Focal length this side, so already I have told you, if it is always measured from optical center with, this is against the direction of ray, this is negative, minus 15 centimeter. Object distance is also against the direction of ray, u equals to minus 20 centimeter. Okay, first you put this to 1 by F equals to 1 by V minus 1 by U. 1 by F is minus 1 by 15, 1 by V minus 1 by minus 20. So minus will be plus. If you bring this side, minus 1 by 15, this is plus, again comes this side, will be minus 1 by we have done a mistake here. Our focus is here. Focus is here means F is, actually F is how much? Correct it. F is how much? Plus 15. F is plus 15 and U is minus 20. So we have put it plus 15 here. Plus 15. So this is plus 15. So minus plus again comes this side, will be minus 20 equals to 1 by V. So take